Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great laptop cooling pad. So if you run a lot of intense games or your laptop just gets super hot, this device is going to be perfect for you. So it's by a company called Llano. This is the gaming laptop cooler, and this is the box it comes in. Now, once you open it up, of course, you are going to get a little instruction manual. Tells you how to operate it, but we're going to cover all those details. You are going to get a spare little kind of cloth here that's going to catch any dust on the fan. You will get a USB to USB Type-C connection cable. This is how you're going to hook up the device to your laptop, because on the side of the device, it has 3 spare USB plugs. So you hook up this to your computer, and then you can hook up your mouse to it, a separate little jump drive, whatever you want to the side, which just gives you a lot more ports. On the very end is where you're going to plug it in. So it just uses a standard plug that plugs into a standard wall outlet. As far as the device itself, it is designed for laptops that are 15 to 19 inches. You can see right here on the top, you're going to have this nice foam kind of cloth. Make sure the squishy side is on top. It just goes right there. You can see the big fan unit right there in the middle. Now you notice it has an angle here. So this thing actually can get about 2¼ inches tall. And it's because it has 2 adjustable feet height options, which is really cool. So you can kind of turn them over and make it a little bit less, or you can have it completely closed and sitting flat if you wish. Right there on the bottom is the intake. So this is where the air is coming in. And you can see there is the foam little kind of insert to catch that dust. There is the spare one in case this one gets damaged. And if you don't use these, they have 4 little rubber feet that keeps the device from sliding around on you. Now on the front here, you're going to have these little swing arms. This is what's going to hold your laptop in position. And then right here on the bottom is where you have the control. So you're going to hit the power, hold your finger down on the power button, and it will turn on the device. Next to it, you're going to have a mode. So this thing has like 10 different LED light modes. So see how it has kind of this LED light that goes all the way around it? If you want to change the modes to that, just simply press that M button. And it's going to cycle through all those options, whether it's just rotating, whether it's lines, whether it's breathing, lots of options. Then next to that, you're going to see these like 3 little circles. That is a static kind of LED lighting look. So simply touch that and you're going to just cycle through those static lights. Well, you got the red, you got the blue, you got the kind of purple and the yellow. Then next to that, you have the wheel. So this is easy to increase the fan on this thing. You just simply move that wheel. The low setting is going to be 300 RPMs. The high setting is 2800 RPM, so it can get really high. Now, I will say, if you have it all the way up to 2800, it does get noisy. But that kind of, use that to really quickly cool down your laptop. Then once your laptop's cooled down, you can drop that down. You don't have to go into settings. It's just really easy to utilize that dial. But how you are going to put your laptop on here, really easy. You're just going to line this up with the foam insert. Make sure it's nice and stable. And then there you go. That air is blowing on the underside of your laptop. And like I said, you can quickly hit that dial to turn it up. So now it's all the way up to max. And as you can hear, it's a lot louder, but it's just blowing that air all into the bottom of your laptop to cool it down. Turn off the device, simply hold down the power button and it will turn off again. I think this one is totally worth checking out. I really like how quickly it is easy to adjust those dials of those temperatures. And then also the RGB features. It has a lot of lighted modes. So if you have a whole gamer setup, it just adds some more ambiance to your desk setup. So overall, if you are in the market for a laptop fan cooler, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.